As General Manager here, Mercedes-Benz, Bell Truck and Van, I'm absolutely delighted to have partnered with IWS using the MyDis range. Clearly, given the current circumstances around the COVID-19, health and safety is absolutely paramount to our business. The safety of our staff and therefore our customers is paramount to what we do, and that comes first before anything else.
My name is Martin Johnson and I'm a Director in Bell Truck Sales. So at Bell Truck Sales we're used to dealing with premium brands. Mercedes-Benz is a globally recognised brand, and when we made the decision to purchase the MyDis portal, we aligned ourselves, we think, with another brand that was industry leading. So when anybody enters our premises now, they have to use the portal. It's very simple to use, so they simply walk through, they take the temperature, they sanitise their hands, and then they go through. It's a one-way system, so they simply walk through, come out the other side, and then go about their daily duties. So the ULV spray is extremely simple to use. What it does is it allows us to make sure that we can keep customers' vehicles clean, make sure that we're able to do and offer test drives, as well as keeping the office and workshop environments extremely safe as well.
The ULV sprayer is 100% effective, easy to use, easy to maintain, and in my eyes it is the 100% best product on the market at the moment for what we are needing.
We're really grateful to IWS for bringing this product to us. It's allowed us to operate safely, confidently, and continue to make sure that we're keeping vehicles on the road and ultimately our staff safe while working here.